Okay, I'm Glenn. I'm from Adenta, and actually, I'm a footballer. Yeah.
I'm not. I'm not. I stay as at the time. I'm a student on campus. Yeah. My name is Richard. I school here in Legon. Okay. Reading information studies.
I'm Eso Amponsa. I'm from Adenta, Suwate Close, and I'm a footballer.
That's great. So, who's your favorite football player?
I guess I would say Cancelo.
Antonio Rudiger.
Wow. If you're an Antonio Rudiger fan here, make sure you like the video. And why is Antonio Rudiger your favorite player? When I see people like Mohamed Kudus, see Ronaldo, Messi, even Shatawale, he can play well.
Because I'm also a defender too, and my role model, I want to be like him. Yeah.
That is a great idea. I want to know what is your biggest fear, woman or poverty?
And my biggest fear is, I think, poverty. Poverty.
Poverty.
Poverty.
Why poverty?
Mm, I don't really know how to put it though, but if you look clearly into this modern world and how things are going, you could see that poverty is really killing us a lot. Not killing us as in maybe holding our neck though, but you can see how it is ruining most of the lives of the youths these days. Yeah. So I would say poverty. Yeah, it's my biggest fear.
Um, I don't want to like. I don't want to be broke on the like. I don't want to be homeless on the streets, like begging for money and then stuff. Like I want like my family to feel proud and like yeah.
Because poverty can make you stranded. Like you can even lose focus in anything. I think poverty is my biggest fear. I mean, um, you see, like our day in and day out activities, the goal at the end of the day is to at least get something to make you okay. So I mean, at the end of the day, if you become poor, then what's the aim of everything you did? So I think poverty. As for women, yeah.
Since poverty is your fear, so will you go for a praying woman or a rich woman?
A rich man though.
I'll go for a praying woman
I'll go for a rich woman.
because maybe with her prayers, maybe we can break the chain of poverty. Who knows? Yeah. So I'll go for a praying woman than a rich woman.
Guys, do you agree with him? Let me know in the comment section. Can the prayers change the destiny of being poverty to be a rich person? Let me know in the comment section.
Okay, so talking of praying woman and a rich woman, first of all, I'm a Christian, so I would go for a praying woman. Yeah, that's for a rich woman. Yeah. If she's rich and she's not prayerful, it's not necessary. Yeah.
So, which mean that's your biggest fear of poverty? You going for a woman? How do you
Okay,
see?
so okay, so you asked the question on poverty and then also asked on rich woman or a prayerful woman. Um, I can. Okay, me marrying a rich woman doesn't necessarily mean I'm automatically rich. It depends. I can marry her and then still be poor. If it all depends on her. Maybe she can decide to keep the money to herself and then maybe make you enjoy part of it, but not make you rich. So if you are with her and then you personally you are not okay, you are still poor, I'm not sure you're even going to enjoy the marriage. So I would go in for a prayerful woman.
Why rich woman?
If you get rich, you pray. Yeah.
What about if the woman is a ritualist?
For that one year, like then we divorce or something,
Yeah.
and then we divorce.
I don't care. I don't care about that one. Yeah, I just need money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just need money. So do you believe in the statement that money is everything?
Yes. Me sitting here looking at you, cry, I see you as money.
Oh.
Yes.
Do you agree that you can become rich through two things, hard work and marrying a rich woman?
These two things. Well, it depends. It depends. It works. It depends on like everyone in their own. Okay, so you said marrying a rich woman and then becoming marrying a rich man and hard work. I would go in for the hard work, but sometimes to should we take it to the, should we take it to the Christian point of view or the normal just express? Okay, hard work and marrying a rich woman. Yeah, they can both work. They can also not work. Yeah, it depends. It all depends on circumstances.
Do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think Snapchat, only Snapchat. Richie Milton underscore 212. Yeah. And on IG it's BEY underscore PEE. Yeah, and then Snap to the same thing, BEY underscore PE. As for X, I'm not really active there, so yeah.
I'm on TikTok, Esamponsa underscore 2. Yeah, that's on TikTok. And IG, SL underscore EA2. Yeah.
I'm on Snap here. T Glenn underscore 99. T Glenn GLENN underscore 99. Yeah. And TikTok, son of 12.
Son of 12.
12. Yeah, son of 12.
1, 2,
Number 12.
3 up to 12.
But not the numbers,
So,
spellings,
okay,
the letters.
okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Son
why
of 12.
12, not 13?
I guess we'll talk about that later. Anyone who wants to know should DM me. After DMing me, then we'll get to talk about that.
Yeah,
It's
so,
personal.
oh, so are the girls free to DM you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, yeah, they are free. Rich women.
oh.
It depends on why you are DMing. So yeah, it depends on why we are DMing.
If you are saying the girls are free to DM, but it depends on what they are coming to, do you mean the rich women?
Oh, I mean, the rich women. Oh, sure, they can feel free to DM. Last, it depends on me. So yeah, they can feel free to DM.
You are the final Afarijan. So you are free to DM, but he is the final judge. He's the Afarijan for the competition.
I'm into music, so basically, yeah.
So do you have, you are into music? So the audience will want to know, maybe want to follow you and those.
Oh, okay, yeah. On IG, it's BEY underscore PE. I'm a pianist. Sometimes people booking me for musical stuff. But then I've not made the IG like the page like a musical page actually. But those who know me know that yeah, that's what I do. So yeah.
Do you have spec or any ladies at all can come?
Nah, I'm okay with everything.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Even the prayerful ones.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm okay with everything, but not everything. Just take note of that. So don't come and bring me anything bad. Yeah, but actually, I don't have spec. I'm okay. I'm okay with everything. Like, yeah.
So everyone is free to DM him. If you're a rich human, you are free to DM. I want to say thanks for speaking to me, bro. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate you for giving me your time. So I want to say thanks for speaking to me, bro. Have a nice day. So I want to say thanks for speaking to me, bro. Have a nice day. Yeah. Yes. Okay, I want to say thank you very much, bro, for speaking to me. Oh, it's okay. Have a nice day. Hey guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section, what is your biggest fear? Is it poverty, women, or men? And don't forget to like the video if you see positive in it. Make sure that you subscribe to be part of this awesome family if this is your first time seeing this annoying face on your screen. And don't forget to share it to others to see this wonderful piece Don't also forget to let me know in the comment section who will you go for, a praying partner or a rich partner. Another question, another video, another banger dropping next. So don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime I drop an awesome video like this, you're going to get notified. Until I see you in the next episode, peace.